wait. Come on. Oh, string foot, look. Come on. Put some peanuts in there for you. Yeah, hello. Oh, look, string foot. Oh, yes, this is... I've made friends with him. This is how I'm going to save the baby. God bless him. Oh, poor string foot. Trust me. Look at this. Hello, darling. Hello. Hello. Oh, I don't know if it's... Should I just grab him now? Or do it another time? Or what? Shit. No. I'll get some advice first. Come on, darling. Hello. 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 Oh, the animals love me. Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello. Hi, Joe. Hello. Oh. Oh.
Have dog food in there?
No, I think it's just me.
Yes, right.
Just like me. Hello.
It's okay.
Wow.
Say hello again.
Hello. Hello. Huh?
Okay.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh. Okay.
Bye.
Look at this dog. This dog loves me. What's going on? Oh, I don't know what's happening here, but this dog really wants me. What's wrong? What is going on? How bizarre. He wants something from me.